Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll introduce our app. It's called Chime free banking application. So basically this is a finance application where you can do unlock financial progress. So you can see here the name of the app. It's called Chime free banking application, and if you look here, the ratings 4.7 ratings out of 5, 1.1 million reviews, and you can see here 10 million plus already download this app. So let's see the main feature about this app. You can see here uh, American one choice for banking, and you can see here earn 5% cash back with Chime card, 3.7% APY on your savings, credit score. You can see here serious security and real-time alerts, get up to 500 US dollar off your play when you say, and you can see here 47k free ATMs, more than the top 3 national bank combined. So you can see here globally it's 47k ATM booth. It's really good here. So if you want to learn more about this app, go this about section. Then you can see here why you choose this one: better banking, easy savings, early payday, smart credit management, anytime security and support, is put me. So you can see here many things is here in this application, like available ATM, and the app is released. You can see here uh, release date, you can see here 2014. And if you want to learn more about this app, then you can see what people actually thought. You can see they give reviews.